Okay, friends. So you will be working off of Mario's and Luigi's paychecks. So first we need to calculate Mario's gross income. So let's remind ourselves, what is gross income? Gross income is the money you get before taxes are taken out. That is why it's this top line right here. And we calculate it by multiplying how much money he makes per hour times how many hours he works. So let's go ahead and figure out how much money Mario makes. So he's going to make, oops, my little draw button. Sorry, I'm gonna have to move everything for a second. My draw button is covered up. Let's do that. Okay. We take how much money he makes per hour and multiply it by how many hours he works. And it actually says you can share your work down here. I just like to do it to the side. You can do it in either place. 6 times 5 is 30. 1 times 5 is 5 plus 3 is 8. Bring down my 0. And now I can multiply by 6. 6 times 6 is 36. And 1 times 6 is 6 plus 3 is 9. Oh, Mario is rolling in it. 8 plus 6 is 14. And 10. That's a nice little paycheck. So he makes $1,040. Good job, Mario. But unfortunately, that is not what he gets to spend. We need to calculate his deductions. His deductions are all of these taxes. Look, income tax, Social Security. So Social Security is some money that the government puts away for you for when you are done working, so when you're older. Medicare is medical insurance that will help you for when you're older. So that's kind of put away for the future. Both of these, Social Security and Medicare, that is money that is being put away for you in the future. And then health insurance is what coverage for you right now. Okay, so in order for us to calculate the deductions, we have to add up all of these amounts. Okay, so right here, this is where we're going to put it, and then we're going to write this exact same number over here. So 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 plus 5 is 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. 1 plus 3 is 4. Plus 2 is 6, plus 5 is 11. 11 plus 6 is 17. Bring down my decimal. 1 plus 5 is 6, plus 6 is 12, plus 8 is 20, plus 9 is 29. And then let's add up our tens. 2 plus 2 is 4. Plus 1 is 5. There's no 10 here. And 5 plus 8 is 13. Okay, so Mario gets $139.75 taken out. Now, I don't have any cents in my gross income, so I'm going to go ahead and add a decimal and 2 zeros to remind me to line up my decimals. Line up your decimals when you add or subtract, which is what we're doing to find net income, because we take our gross income, we subtract our taxes, and that gives us our net income, okay? So we can kind of do that to remind us. So let's do that down here. 1,040 and $0 minus 139 and 75 cents. Okay, so I cannot subtract 0 minus 5, so I have to regroup from all the way over here and then just keep regrouping until I get here. Okay. 5, 9 minus 7 is 2. 0, 0. And then so you might want to regroup here, but really, let's just look. 10 minus 1. Do I really need to regroup this way? No, because I can just see this as 10 minus 1, and that's 9. So Mario's net income is $900.25. That is actually what gets put into his bank account for him to use on his expenses. You have 5 other scenarios like this, okay? So some of them, they change the amount of deductions, they change how much he earns and how much he works. And so you're going to do these 5 other scenarios. And then you also have a star question and another question at the very end. So don't forget to do those.